Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice search in Chrome. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to talk to your browser and search the web hands-free. Super convenient, whether you're multitasking, have your hands busy, or just want to speed things up. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you want to start by opening your Google Chrome browser. If it's not already open, just double-click that familiar Chrome icon on your desktop, or tap it if you're using a mobile device. This is where everything begins. Make sure you're opening the actual Chrome browser and not a different app, since these settings are specific to Chrome. Next, take a look at the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see three little dots, kind of like an ellipsis, and that's your gateway to all the options and settings Chrome has to offer. Go ahead and click those three dots. If you can't spot them right away, remember they're on the very end of the toolbar, just above your profile picture, or next to any extensions you might have installed. Clicking this opens up the main menu for Chrome. Inside that menu, look for Settings. It's usually towards the bottom of the list. Go ahead and select it. The Settings page is where you can customize virtually everything about your browsing experience, from how your browser looks to how it handles security and privacy. This is useful not just for today, but anytime you want to tweak how Chrome works for you. Now, once you're inside Settings, focus on the left-hand side of the screen. That's where you'll see a list of categories. Find and click on Privacy and Security. It's right there among the top options. You're heading here because voice search, to work smoothly, needs access to your microphone, which is controlled by Chrome's privacy and security features. Think of this like handing your browser the keys to let it listen, but only when you say so. Nothing is done without your say. Within the Privacy and Security section, find Site Settings and give that a click. Sometimes it's a little further down, so you might need to scroll. This part of Chrome controls what websites are allowed to do. Things like using your location, sending notifications, or in our case, accessing your microphone. Basically, you're telling Chrome what stays private and what can be shared when you want. Now let's zero in on the microphone settings. Under Site Settings, look for the option labeled Microphone. Give it a click. This is the dashboard where you determine which sites can access your mic and how they ask for permission. If you're wondering, allowing sites to request microphone access doesn't mean every site gets a free pass to listen in. It just lets sites like Google's voice search feature ask you for permission. You can always say yes or no. And here's the key step. Find the toggle or checkbox that says sites can ask to use your microphone and make sure it's enabled. Usually, this is just a simple switch you click. When this is on, sites like Google Search will be able to pop up a prompt asking if you want to use your microphone for voice searches. Without this enabled, the little microphone icon on Google's search bar won't work. So turning this on is crucial. This part might take a few moments if you're not used to Chrome's settings, so don't worry if you need to poke around a little. Just take your time. And remember, you're always in control. If you ever want to revoke this permission, you can come back and disable it with a single click. Once you've got that set, you're done. Next time you visit Google or any other site with voice capabilities, you'll be able to use that handy mic icon to speak your search. It's as easy as that, just like giving your browser a new superpower. If you found this tutorial useful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below. I read every single one and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.